Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl DT, and if you're joining us for the first time, I advise you like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a video. So today I'll be teaching you all how to edit videos, how to edit 2 videos using CapCut. So I'm going to show you one of the videos I edited using CapCut. I'm going to play this right now. Yes, so I'm going to teach you how to do exactly this or any type, your choice, using CapCut. So I'll advise everybody, please like, share, comment, hit the notification bell and subscribe. Hit the subscription button, that red stuff there, hit it. So we're going to begin this tutorial right now. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your store or your Apple store and download the app CapCut. Yes, now open your CapCut. Don't forget this works with data. Now I'm going to click on new project. We're going to pick the 2 videos we want to edit, which is this and add. Then we click on this addition sign here and click the next video and add. Okay, so this is what we're going to get, because this is the first video I created and the second one that I added. Okay, now what's the first thing I want to do? I'm going to teach you everything in details, all this here. So the edit here is when you click on edit, you're going to have, if you want to split, you want to add speed, animation, style, so this is what we have mean by style. This works with pictures more than videos. So I think the ones that are open are the ones that work with videos. Okay, if you want to delete a video or anything, if you want to add volume or remove the volume of the video, if you want to extract audio, cut out, edit, filter, adjust, if you want to add, enhance, beauty, you understand this part. This for pictures, more for the enhance, mask, overlay. Okay, I'm going to replace this, stabilize, opacity, you understand. Also, I'm going to be doing some of them in details in as we go on to some of the classes. The next one is audio. This is if you want to add sound. You can search for sound if you're a TikToker, or you can search for someone's songs like Davido, Nigeria, as I said earlier. So this is some of the Davido songs that you can get for me. Or you can add effects to the sound, extract sound and voice over. When you come to text, we have the text template, audio, the audio auto lyrics, the sticker and the draw. Then we have the stickers here. We have the overlay. So I'll be teaching you this overlay here. I'll be talking about the green background effects. So that'll be in the next class. Here we have the filter. We have the format. If we have the canvas, we have the adjust. So the first thing I want to do here is to add filter to my video. So I need something that will make the grass greener and a little bit darker effect. So that's why I use the effect I used here, which is the gingerbread. Then I can work on the effect the way I want it to be. So let's use 85 here. Then for the second one too, I'll be using the gingerbread too, because I just love the effects in this video. So if you're using any video, just look for the one that works for you, that gives you exactly the same thing you want it to. So use 85 here. Now what's the next thing I want to do? If you watch this video, I don't just like the fact that it's someone have to bend their phone to watch it. So I want to give everybody this, you can watch it anyhow you want. So I'm going to click on edit and split the video. Okay, so what's the next thing we're going to do? We're going to add transition to each of the videos. So for here, I'm going to click. Okay, you want to know there's a kind of a block with a straight line. Click on it. That's where you can add any transition of your choice. There's a whole lot of transition. So for here, I want to add this transition. I want to use this transition, only of your choice. We're working with someone that they just say person was working and boom, disappeared. So let's work with this. So we have something like boom, disappeared, and from working here, so we click on to add another transition of our choice. Now it came out. No, I don't like. Okay. Okay. I like the way the effect came in. So I've added transition. Now the next thing I want to do is okay, let me go to edit. Sorry. Click on, when you click on this, once you click on it, you're already editing it. Now you go to edit itself. This place called edit. We rotate it. So I want it to be like this. So let's watch it again. So it's to give us something like this flavor. Well, I splitted this the wrong way, so let's try something like this. Listen. This is better. So if all you just need to do is just from here increase the stuff from here. So let's see it here. Okay, this is nice. So that it will work. She will work longer than I expected. I like this. Now I'm going to crop this stuff out, so cap it out. So this is what we're gonna have. So you don't necessarily need this. You're going to delete it if you don't like it. As I did, I deleted it. So once you are done with this, you want to add sound. Don't forget how I taught you. Click on audio, click on sound, go to this one here, recommended. Sorry, click on, let's use one of Davido's song. Sorry, I like using one of, so let's use this. So we have, so you can also crop the song and adjust it back. Just crop, hold and move, so that way you get what you want. So that's it on how to edit using the app CapCut. So if I'll be going more in details on how to edit using CapCut in our next video, I'll be teaching you more of how to use green background effects, how and other tutorials. Please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Please don't forget that part, because if you don't hit the notification bell, you will not know when I drop a new video, and I want you to, and I know you enjoy if you do. So please click and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. And please don't forget, if you have any question or you have any tutorial on how to edit something and you want me to go and learn to teach it, even if I don't know it, I'll go into research and teach it here. So if you have anything, any problem, just drop it on the comment section, and I will look forward to learning too and also teaching it. So that's it on how to edit using CapCut on today's class. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget what I said, subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye.